Hak arp kendai trip ujemang arhajar arpusan Kika tu kani Samla ke Thep Pulit kilalit menyekendo yo member secretary ke Meghalaya Police Recruitment Board ubak la kador siem ban Ujor lor ke jingdon Kika tu kani ki kertong ki bapenan kam de mobile phone hak por begitho ya ke written test ban yo kam Pulit. Habakaran begini ki Samla kile Thoh ba kejingwan joki kalong ban Ujor halor ke jing olat Kika tu kani ki kertong be khon ya ke written test na ke bentak ke kam Pulit ki bapenan kam de mobile phone. Usan ki dikhar boleh Thoh bah kasngi mula Thoh written test na kebentak UB constable ulalap hidalaki kemat bagi don ki bapenan kam de mobile phone man Thoh written test yang skam nongrum ulong bakat kum kejing tip jung uhi kelong bagi bebon ki penan kam de mobile phone ha bagi Thoh Eksamin bakani kade keleng ki center kum hamairang jowai bat ki bagi jaka uli Thoh bah kepor bapenlong ya Eksamin ru kam shimla dan kano kejing net checking ke babiang habarung shi jaka Thoh Eksamin Wepar usamla ula keno bakadan kejimbam kuat ya kerukom Thai Eksamin haka tenat Pulit ke jela Meghalaya bakanik Eksamin kedai kebelalong haka kat pra arpusau bat arpusan terik menta ubnai haka nik Eksamin nalap bagi bobon ki penan kam degi mobile phone bat kil ongru badon na pedeng kinong peniat ki belerap ya ki bon Thoh Eksamin haki jaka ki baper ki batho na kebenta ka ini ka written test
Aga pelong yang kata kalau keba kawai tu tip ba borok ki use mobile phone berba for example tai
Hai kata.
keleng-keleng ni bana syata semairang sya jawai syai tip tu bro kibun ni bagi tip dah
Kilap ya kata ni turun.
macam ngata kam lap tambah kalau kawai ke banga ngai long kamlong fair am kalau bikin cek ba por bangirung berba for example
Kayak itu cinta wajib sih mentapa.
ada wa tengong ba kidiban dak mo de kalau kepala am nak kelang joki Pulit kidiban ai bin exam ta entah ke exam kepala dep kin mending entah ke bapak dep ra mun gene ke bapak dep tengah try kilap men cek bahan no ini semat hari gene kepala dep te kemud ngi ba kim cek baham te ngakerpat mau long kalau kepala ta te kidiban cek bah kam tam mobile phone dei perthai mentale lasuk ma kidiban chat chiti te lasuk diberi ban pecuru kisun sondor te kawan brok te ansar te kasuk mekiแต่ก็ลงตายลงมึงกี่บาทหกแต่ลงเขางานลงมาทำ exam เทสเทนนิสไงบาดังอีนุ่นปิดตัวเยอะลัดไปนั่นบริยูกี่Pulitกี่ชูยังสุดจิงขังกินเช็คแต่กี่ยังมีตัวแต่ก็หมดดังกี่กว่าปิดตัวดังเยอะไปลงกับโมบายกินเช็คพาร์ตดังกี่เช็คทางไหนปลาก็หมดดังกี่บุรีต่างหากจัดหาชุดที่แต่ยังไล่ยอนปิดตัวก็ลงตายกันhariกี่บันนุ่นแต่ขายเยอะชั้นมากกันกี่บ่มนุ่นแต่ลงสะบ่มนุ่นเนาะนี่บอกว่ามันโทรหกแต่
Kat kum kerja sotu jong pi dei ke jing do nong lada kim pelong ya kan ke exam sa sisian.
Kan te kalong kaduk nong bhapi nomor beliau kan kalong kacing sniu bi kawan ra hai kan ka rijungi te kamut dagi pensilur gumna dagi mlei ei kamut kana kacing sniu kanang curi shu am rijungi te kamut ngili katang nang im koi na ka ke por kacing sniu kanang buan ngim kwa kan bakal lom ta iko bakal rijungi kan ya bi kan fair bikin ke bagi le alo apply kam no kan kam ke bingile kim dekin belong ba kan long ba lam kacing sniu kamu sniu ka kan ne kalau kamu ne next exam ni kamu full bit kipintu ki berbar be kalau mta kan lamang im sedang nak naik barit am te kamu kanang he am kacing sniu kamu kala he lingim la mana isu re kalau mta kan
ada ba penong nomor ngah to ski banga Thoh jong ka UB ka sabal pangalap hidaki mat banga pai ki nong abang to pati jilta ban sim ya kata ka phone ba don kam gitu ba chiting ta asin nga pai ki ba kimle ta kabala sian ta ki leitang ba kitang syukran kim ka phone kim simhira kim le action ne ta ka omer kum simhira ta da banga wan leban ada keren ni apa ang na ba sa
Menu kata aja.
to kasi saja ar pusantrik ar pusan
Kasan ka yun bukan.
kiam nong ba government college
Bikan ni kacing ni untuk tahu lupa.
ong ki problem nila ya discuss ba sante kuang pat ban sa sen show serman ban tinja lagi mana
Kayak kacing dawa jong pi.
kijing dawa jami bang ko ababan pele biang takoy ya ka exam bata hai amar ladaki strict tang ya ki ba le smartam don kam la ka to bladep ki le bon ki ba le chitin dem to
pengiwan sini ban komplain halor ka jingbom khoi ya ganita rukom Thoh exam jo ka daga kali police
Menu pelong yang kena exam.
Ki pelong nadu ka katra tarik arpu sau tarik arpu san tarik
Tidak kecil orang tu pergi bakam kuat kamu ini kini.
ki pundon kam da ka phone ki for Thoh exam pundon kam da ka phone da ka sharp ki tahi dan ki individual ki yarap ya ki student ya ki candidate
Kan dia. Hai kata center.
ki center ki satisha jantiahi bro arahi
Di ha kasih juga bakilak kita.
si bro hi kita ki si nadu arpu sau arpu san ta
Dong kita kita pendan kambek phone.
pundon kam da phone la ben len ki pundon kam baik
De beli peti film ya tu na tu buat man.
ya thu hi kang ya thu ya ta por te gi siap gila pedbe gi bangin ya le ya kandu ta si
Inspector General ki Pulit ubolong Chairman ka Central Recruitment Board ka Meghalaya udaltan pi marak ulakentu ya borok ki kertong kebiakon ni written test banyak kam Pulit bagi de ban bot perking ki kendon bat omdai ban le thok ha bagi Thoh Eksamin bat kenturu balada kilap ki badan ki bale thok ki ban ujor mar kenang ban la ban chimkhia habakran ni gilat patai kubor udaltan pi marak uloong bakat tenat kan penrongkam ya palat lai hazar ngot ki Pulit ban pendap ya ki pos ki balaj bat kumba kalong menta kani kejeng penrongkam garang don kerjen tes na kebenta borok ki kertong ki beakon daga bakado bagat tenat Pulit gejala Meghalaya ke penlong ya kani kejeng penrongkam Pulit haglenti ke bakoj Uli Thoh bawala na kaliang kinong penlong ya ki Eksamin kila penti kena ban cek syua bagi Samla kenrung syakijaka Thoh Eksamin Mar omsha ikinu kitiar elektronik lanagi kot kisla ban ra syakijaka Thoh Eksamin Nrai lalap ru yu weu breu ubal penankam da mobile phone bat kumjo ikobai ka kertong natura kumtala shimkhia halor kani bala pensange no iki ban Thoh ek written test bat kumta ula kentu ya bro ki kertong bagi dei bane khoni written test daglenti ke bakhoj bat gajing shania aru digino peniat Eksamin bat ukenturu ya bro ki kertong bagi dei ban bot perkeng ya ki kendon bat ulong bala dalap mano ki papenkhen kindo sendon ban chimbenta bani akam Pulit.
Well, as a chairman of Meghalaya Police Recruitment Board, I would like to inform that Meghalaya Police Department is recruiting for about 3,000 posts to be filled up in all the vacancies. Right now we are going through the written test for all the candidates. About four number of posts. The exam will be conducted on coming Saturday and Sunday. That will conclude the second part of the recruitment process. Now, I would like to inform all the candidates that Government of Meghalaya has adopted transparent recruitment policy. Under this system, all the data are maintained by independent body and managed. So there is a very little scope or no scope at all for influence from outside. So all the candidates who do well, they will make it to the police force on their own. Now, during the last written examination, some complaints have come that there were a little bit of malpractice. Somebody has used phones and all that. However, we have taken very strict system to check before entry that no electronic devices are allowed or no other unassisted device or documents are allowed to be carried. There is a frisking and checking of the candidates before they're entering into the exam hall. However, in one case, we found that one person had somehow managed to take a phone and use it. So action has been taken against this candidate. He has been debarred from further appearance in any of the remaining exams. So also there is another complaint about a girl. So even she also is now debarred from appearing in any police recruitment exams. We are taking very strict action against anyone found to be indulging in any of these malpractices. And now I would like to appeal to all the candidates. Please do not worry about integrity. We are trying our best to maintain integrity and uh, uh, good system to complete this recruitment procedure. And I would like to appeal to all the candidates, please do adhere to all the rules that is laid down for appearing in the written examination. And once again, I would like to caution anybody, if anyone tries to indulge in any malpractices during the exam, strict exemplary action will be taken. So please do avoid uh, trying to do any malpractice in the exam hall. Inquiry into these allegations about some malpractice by some candidates or any other allegations, we are looking into it. A senior police officer is inquiring into the allegations. If we find that any actionable activities are found, then definitely strict action will be taken.